Meet Cade. Cade is looking to finance a multifamily property but is confused on the different types of loans. Cade is told by his partner Matt that there are two types of loans: agency loans and bridge loans. Matt explains that agency loans are highly regulated, longer-term loans backed up by a government agency. Agencies guarantee that the principal amount of the loan will be repaid, which allows syndicators to generally receive a lower interest rate with higher amounts of leverage. Matt explains that for Cade to receive this loan, the property must be stabilized, meaning that it must have had 90% occupancy for the past 3 months. Cade asks what a bridge loan would entail. Matt explains that bridge loans are short-term loans and would hold a higher interest rate. Generally, for bridge loans, syndicators will receive a faster application, approval, and funding timeline than you would for agency loans. Bridge loans would also not require the asset to be stabilized. Matt describes that overall bridge loans are more risky than agency loans due to the fact that bridge loans are short-term, and before the end of the loan's term, the syndicator must refinance or sell the property. Cade now understands the differences between bridge and agency loans and is more equipped to make financing decisions on his multifamily property.